Righto, day 7 on long drive for a drought. We've got Mark and Susan. These guys have been absolutely awesome to us. They're almost like that surrogate uncle and auntie.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, there we feel old.
They've got this 1971 FJ40. It is an absolute little ripper. This one is just got all the character in the world. From roof racks to, it doesn't have any bullet holes, but it has, it's pretty close.
It has history.
I'll buy some today from Repco.
Yeah, but we're having an absolute ball with these guys, and wow, I'm looking forward to what today comes. Today, Jack, Crocodile Dundee pub. Oh,
Walkabout Hotel.
Walkabout Hotel. So this is going to be pretty cool. I think you should ask for the knife.
For the knife?
The knife. That's not a knife. All right, so let's get the day on the road, and we'll see what adventures come for today.
Let's do it.
Thanks, guys.
No worries.
This is an absolutely sensational event.
Do you reckon it is?
Yeah, I think it smells like fuel.
You got a fire extinguisher?
It's pouring out.
There's only one more I want, but I'm happy now.
Okay.
But we want to.
Yeah, I spoke to him last night. He's got more tools than you can actually.
Who's that?
Well, it's not next to them. Yeah. 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 So, remember the movie? But I know it's Alice Cooper comes in with Alice
How you going, Joe?
Good. Nearly there.
You think you're right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go circle and see if we can get you something to eat real quick, okay?
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, mate.
It's all good. Yeah, the blues.
Righto, so fuel regulator was leaking at this fitting here, and we're sort of lucky everyone else has left, but left a bit of a trail on the road. That's what picked it up. Some of the other guys picked it up. Quick, easy fix.
How old's that fuel regulator?
2 weeks old.
So in conclusion,
Brand new.
the new stuff breaks.
New stuff, no good.
So, you know me.
No leakage.
No leaks, happy days. back to the road.
Let's do it.
We're all good now. Happy days. And then you get a texture and scribble on the wall. Up there. Yep, nail it. Jack. This is Jack. We are here at the Blue Heel Hotel having an absolute cracker night. Awesome news.
Yeah.
We have cracked $100,000.
Absolutely, Jace, mate. We smashed it last night. I think we're on about 106 now.
Yes.
And still got a few things to tally up. And after a couple of brownie options tonight by the crew here, I think we're going to be a little bit higher than that, mate.
It's well on their way, and the way this money is going to be used for Drought Angels is super impressive. The stories I'm hearing coming back from Drought Angels, they're real touching. So these are real people's lives that we've been able to help and get involved with.
Yeah, that's right, mate. You would have heard Tash talk tonight, you know, just about a farmer who we couldn't go to see today, ironically, because this place is flooded. Great to have you.
Thanks, mate. I've really enjoyed every single minute of this, and it's been sensational. And I'm really appreciative of everyone that gets involved behind this and supports it. So, mate, well done.
So cool.
You have done a great job to put this together.
I appreciate that, mate. Very good.
Thank you, Brandon.
How does it feel to have your sticker put on the Blue Heeler Hotel in Kainuna?
This is one of my most proudest moments. To see that go up on that fridge door right next to the boys. What an honour, what an honour. Look, here, right here, thank you very much. These guys have made tonight.
Thank you.
Yeah, look.
And what does it feel to have movie star presence in your space, Corey and Sam? He's up there with Jonathan Thurston. Oh, Jonathan Thurston, GT in the building.
Thank you for your time. Appreciate it. Excellent.
Hey, we'll come back. We'll come back to this. We'll come back.
How's your drive going, ladies? Excellent. Good company in here. Nice one. I know, that's pretty sad actually. So you want to just wipe that tear away from under my eye? You can have that tear, there you go. Oh, tough day. This is not your truck.
I know.
Did you find it?
By what?
The truck on the side of the road.
I did, mate. Bargain, $1,500 cash.
Sweet. See, there's still bargains out there to be had. That's one way of doing it. This is the other way of doing it.
1,200 with Billy. 1,200 with Billy. Okay, if we've got no more, we're going to close at 1,200 with Billy. We're closing once. Closing twice. Going. Gone. Sold. Billy, well done, mate. That's a ripper, mate. Thank you very much.
Righto, so here we are. This is the last day, not only the last day, the last night. And I'm here with Jess. Now, Jess, you've done an incredible job behind the scenes. All the filming, Jess is in the 300 Series Land Cruiser, flying up in front of us just to get those shots that all you guys have seen on Facebook, Instagram, really promoting this. I'm blown away by the work you've done behind the scenes, Chris. It's not recognised. I want to give you a big recognition for this great work, Josh. And thanks so much for having us along. It's been great. It's been fantastic.
Look, you guys, the crew, you guys all make it so easy. There is nothing I ask is too hard. No matter how stupid it is, no matter how silly it is, no matter how hard it is, you guys just there with a smile on your face and ready, and just drop of a hat, just help out. So you guys have made it easier. It's a pretty incredible event, but it wouldn't be the event it is without the people that are in it. So
thanks again. Lovely work. Good on you, Jess. Thank you. All right, that's it.
For that very low crime rate, but you're very active on the
Stolen Ruben's car. It's beautiful inside. He's done a great job. I know he's got a few more plans in place, but at the moment, I've knocked it off. Thanks, mate. I hope you don't want it back. I think one of my daughters would love it. Anyway, mate, you'll get it back eventually. Just not today. Righto, so that's it. Long drive for a Drought is all over. What an absolute adventure. Cracker time. Every single kilometre was memorable, wasn't it, Jack?
Yes.
Yep. So we're going to go through some of those awesome moments. Man, what was your favourite, Jack?
Probably the pubs. The pub. Pub night. That was pretty funny.
He was underrated. He didn't drink. So he did very well. Look, righto guys, so long drive for Drought. It's going to be on next year. This gives you more than enough time to get all your wallets ready, get all your donations we can put in and raise even more money next year for this cruise. So absolutely fantastic. So, until next time.
Thanks for watching.